everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on Louis Vuitton and this price increase on these canvas handbags. It's ridiculous. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
I'm a bit irritated just thinking about it. So I am going to make this quick. First, I am going to start with the loop gems, okay? And I'm going to do a comparison with prices to see if you guys have caught on to this. So this is the beautiful Marquita Reverse Monogram Loop Gem, $2,780, almost $3,000 for a canvas handbag. Yes, 2 straps, a leather strap, a chain strap, and of course it is a gem size. It's a larger handbag and it comes with a small pochette inside. Recently, Louis Vuitton announced they are coming out with the upfront leather version of the Loop Gem, $3,150. Of course, its upfront leather is going to be more than the canvas. Not by that much. $2,780 with tax included is hitting almost at $3,000 or a little bit more. We have the upfront leather, $3,150. This is the part that gets me. The Atlantis in canvas is going to be $3,800. This is an upfront leather handbag, gem size, $3,150, $3,800. Not only that, the Atlantis BB in reverse monogram, $3,100, $50 less than the upfront leather Loop Gem. $50 less, $50 less than the upfront leather Loop Gem that comes with a pochette, 2 straps, a chain strap, and a leather strap. And it's a gem size, upfront leather. You have this small canvas handbag in reverse monogram, the BB size, that's $3,100. Are you guys catching on to what I'm saying? The price increase, guys, is not going to be announced. They are now just including it in the prices as they go. This is absolutely insane. What do you think? How do you feel about an Atlantis BB being almost the same amount as a leather handbag? An upfront leather handbag, $50 less. Guys, pay attention to what's going on. Pay attention. I have to speak on this. I was going to leave it alone, but I have to speak on this, guys. Listen up. Okay, luxury besties, here is the beautiful multi-pochette, and I'm gonna call it beautiful now because I'm happy I kept it. This was on the chopping block. I almost sold it, so I'm glad I held on to it. Okay, so this is the multi-pochette. If you have this in your collection, I am going to show you how to recreate this canvas pochette that they are trying to sell for $1,520. We already have it in our collection. Okay, so it comes with 2 pochettes, the smaller pochette being in the front, and this is the pochette, the larger pochette in the back that I am going to convert and show you. Of course, the pochettes are detachable. You can use this handbag and wear it 50 million different type of ways, guys. I love that about this handbag. Okay, so with it being $2,500 now on the website, it's worth it because you are getting 2 handbags basically for the price of 1. So here is the smaller pochette. You guys know, date night, heels, button down shirt, nice fitted jeans, here you go. Or you can keep the longer strap. You can keep the longer chain strap on, and then you also can add a longer strap if you want it as a crossbody. But this is so cute, guys. Just over the shoulder. Have it as a little tote. Or, like I said, you can have it as a small little clutch. Either way, utilize the handbags now that we have them. Okay, so let's move on to the larger pochette. The multi-pochette, it comes with this vachetta tab here at the front. This doesn't, which it does give a cleaner look, okay? All of them are like that. It gives a cleaner look. So if you don't mind having this little vachetta tab here at the front, guys, it's no big deal. You're saving $1,500. So keep that in mind. I am going to unzip, and do you guys see that it has D-rings, right? Here on the side. You guys see it? I'm gonna make this a carefree pochette, okay? The chain strap that's on this handbag, I am finna convert. Inside, it doesn't have a zipper, but it does have a side pocket. That will do. It has a vachetta tab here, and let me see where this was made. In France. We are safe. We are safe. Okay, it's not USA. I'm happy about that. Okay, so here it is. No zipper, side pocket. Perfect. Textile material inside, the exact same, okay? It's not that smooth microfiber that we like. So let's get this closed. The D-rings are already, they're ready. They're sticking out. So we are going to add the chain strap. This chain strap, guys, I use as a necklace. I basically use on the mini bum bag. This is the perfect length. I believe it's like 12 inches long. It's 12 inches long. Perfect as a necklace, as a choker. Look how it just hangs perfect. This came from the loop handbag. If you have the loop handbag in your collection, that's where this chain strap came from. So here it is. And you can add a vachetta strap if you like, or you have the pochette matisse. Guys, use the pochette matisse strap if you want it to be carefree, no vachetta, but this comes with a vachetta strap. Okay? And so if you want to recreate this look like 100%, I have a vachetta strap. This also is from the loop handbag. Guys, utilize those straps. I tell you that all the time. I keep preaching that. Just because the strap came with a handbag doesn't mean you have to just use that strap with the handbag. We pay too much money. Be creative. Switch those straps out. And so, guys, vachetta strap, and this is a treated vachetta strap, okay? Treated vachetta strap. You can still spray with Apple Guard to be on the safe side, but here is the handbag. I just created the handbag for you. And my strap also is adjustable for my tall divas from the loop handbag, both straps. So here it is. I just created the handbag for you. We have these items in our collection. If you have the multi-pochette, if you have the loop handbag, you can do the exact same thing. The exact same thing. Do you guys see that? But of course, I really don't even want to deal with vachetta at all. So I am going to add my favorite that I add on mostly all of my handbags, because I love adding straps that are carefree. No vachetta. And here it is. It's adjustable as well. I don't have to worry about going out in the rain. This part I do. So I have to spray this with Apple Guard to be on the safe side. But guys, and my handbag to me looks better than that. It looks better. And this is free. I've already paid for this. It's in my collection already. Perfect, guys. So please think. I know a lot of us, oh my God, it has an inside zipper. Guys, please don't let that be the final decision on why you are going to go and purchase this handbag because of a zipper. Use the side pocket. Use the side pocket, okay? Or love on the pochette that you paid $500 in your collection. LV is out their mind. I just converted this for you guys. Please try it. Let me know what you think. I mean, I just feel like it's a slap to the face. It really is. These canvas handbag prices are going up. No announcements, no get ready, no, hey, October 15th, a price increase. A price increase in November. They are just simply going up on their prices, not even caring. Even the fragrances, guys, if you pay attention to them, they're going up on the fragrances, the perfume. Let me know what you think. I had to speak on this. I was going to leave it alone and say, hey, it is what it is, but I had to do a video. But again, let me know how I did. Did I do pretty good? Did I recreate this handbag? Pretty good. As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. I'm waiting on the comments. Let me know. Bye-bye.